Welcome back, guys. We are back in the Sprinter. The Sprinter's got some issues. So, let me take it back and show you what's up. So, look. Some of you that may have watched my previous video will be like, wait, why is everything taken apart? Didn't you put it back together? Because, you know, there was a leak here, right? There was a leak. You fixed it, right? Why'd you take everything apart? I found another leak. Wow. Yeah. So I was looking all around, like right here, bolt holes, everything's dry, and I was like, what in the world? Because very common with Sprinters, you get a leak from where this unit attaches to the roof. So like if your bolts were wet or there was water seeping through the outside, you got a bad seal. But everything's dry. Why is everything flooded? Right now it's not flooded because it's sunny outside. But let me show you the latest issue I found. So I'm getting seepage from here. And here's the thing. Crazy thing. Get ready for this. It's not coming from inside of here. No, it's actually coming from right underneath this lip right here. So hose is kind of working, but the seepage is coming from underneath, not in here. So the problem is not this hose. The problem is that somewhere water isn't making it into here, into the hose. It's coming in from underneath. So to fix this issue, you don't need to take everything apart like I did. I just took everything apart so I can figure out where the leak is coming from. If you don't know where the leak is coming from, you'll probably need to take all this stuff off to figure it out. And then just look, is there water in here or is there water inside of here? If there's water inside of here, you have a leak elsewhere. The leak is not coming from the seal that's right here. It's somewhere else. But if you have water inside, then most likely the issue is not with the seal that's right here. So you don't need to take this apart. The only reason I took it apart is to figure out where else the water's coming from. So now we need to get on the roof, start taking everything apart so that we can seal something up. I honestly don't know what I'm going to be sealing, but let's just get on the roof, see what we're working with, and then we'll go from there. So we're on the roof, and I believe the issue lies under this cover. To get under this cover, you need to take off this cover. We're going to start off by taking these T30s off, pretty much wherever you see a bolt on top, except for those. Those are rivets, never mind. Pretty much all these T30 bolts, need to take them all out. Okay, so as you see, we got water here. That ain't right. Means this seal right here is garbage. It's not doing its job. So what we're gonna do is peel it all off, and then we're gonna use a weather stripping, replace it with a different type of weather stripping, and maybe, hopefully that'll help. So let's pull all of this junk off. Okay guys, new day. As you see, there's snow all over the place. It snowed yesterday while I was filming, so I had to stop. But pretty much we got everything cleared off. Surfaces are all cleared off. I didn't have time to order a gasket. The gasket's gonna take like 2 weeks to come. If I buy it online, if I go to a dealership, I can probably get it quicker, but it might cost more. So we're gonna just DIY it for now, and if it works, it works. If not, we'll take it all apart and replace it with the real gasket. So I'm going to use the same gasket material that I used to seal the underside of this. It's just like right in there, it's just a little strip. You'll see me applying it, and let's get it going. Hopefully the camera doesn't die. That's what happened yesterday. Camera died while I was recording because of the cold. It's below freezing right now and it's kind of cold. So let's get this thing on. Okay, other camera died. Again, freezing cold out here. Got this piece on. I'm gonna wait a little bit to put on that piece because I need it to rain to see if my fix actually works. This is the wrong size gasket, so if it works, awesome. If not, I'll order the right one. So I'll see you back here in a few weeks. Okay guys, we are back. It's been a few weeks. As you see, grass is green. Birds are singing. It's all sunny. Sun's warming me up. It's been a few weeks since we made the last video, or since we, patched this thing. I already checked on it. I checked on the inside, everything's dry. I checked to the outside, everything's dry. We're good. My hack worked. Once I assemble this, I'm gonna leave you a few final notes, and that'll be a wrap. Okay. We're back in the inside of the van. I still got to put it together, but for the scope of this video, it's not in the scope of this video. The only reason I took this apart in the first place was to figure out where the leak was coming from. So for the scope of the video, not really important. Pretty much what we did, removed the old gasket material and replaced it with the DIY version. I mentioned I didn't go to the dealership and buy one or buy one offline because it was going to take too long to arrive. You could try to find it online. I believe it's called an evaporator cover gasket. I think that's what it's called. Like I said, it's probably like 30 bucks online. I would say if you have the opportunity, buy it online. Don't do what I did. Don't hack it like I did. What I did worked, but it's better just to go with what's designed for the system. It'll work better in the long run. It's been a few weeks. I didn't have any issues, but who knows, maybe in a year or something I'm gonna have to go up there again and redo it. I don't know, but for the sake of this video, we fixed the leak, and for now it works. So thanks for watching, guys.